Okay, guys, I had a quick question about how I do the video of overhead on my workbench. And a few years ago, I just had to use a tripod and fix it on there the best way I could, and early wasn't very effective. Now you can see behind me right about there is the camera I typically use for down shots on my workbench. I will get with rotate. My gimbal's drifting. It needs a firmware update. Okay, so I'm going to flip the video around. I'm doing this on my cell phone. I usually use that camera. So I'm going to flip the cell phone around real quick and show you this a little bit closer. Look at this. It keeps drifting. I have a defective gimbal. All right, let me cut and flip over to the other direction. All right, so I've kind of got off to the side here a little bit. You can see my little handy cam thingy here. And this little bracket is actually designed for more like a security camera, but it has an adjustment point here, an adjustment point here, and an adjustment point down here, plus the whole thing kind of swivels back and forth. So you can get a lot of adjustment of the camera. You can make it more down, you can make it more of an angle. Let me back up here a little bit, and you can kind of see it on the bench, above the bench. There's a little ukulele I'm working on. So this is it, the little camera bracket, and I will put a link to this. I got this on Amazon. It is not very expensive. I'll put a link to this in the description below, and maybe that'll help somebody else out if they're looking for a good way to mount a camera. It just takes a standard 1/4-20 thread. That's it for this one. Have a good day. Be sure to subscribe. Give us a thumbs. I hate this. I really do. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the little dingy dong bell. And above all, have fun.